I told you she was like, go pretend you're yelling at me. I was like, no one would buy that.
Yeah, nobody.
No one would buy me freaking out on there. You come help me, please. Before I kill somebody. What happened? You check this one?
Can we very quickly sing happy birthday for Alex in the back? But
So, yeah.
we're waiting for Misa. Yeah?
All together?
Mm-hmm. Sing happy birthday for Alex. Let's go!
Everybody go to detail.
Are you free, Adrian? To sing? She's the last person to enter.
She's the last person.
But Adrian, you can be the first one to quote unquote check on the Porsche.
Should we light it before? Yeah. Just leave it
Yes.
like this.
We'll light it before. Do you have a lighter?
I don't.
Do you have a lighter?
Huh?
Do you have a lighter?
No.
I have a 14 card.
Ryan probably
Yeah.
has one.
There.
Just
It's like it's gonna blow out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
What does that say? Yeah!
Look, I got you a Chinese takeout box. You're the Alex, the snake.
Alright, thank you.
None of that was real.
Blow, you gotta blow the candle.
Oh, no, sorry, wait, what?
Gonna blow the candle.
Got my heart to go out for like 5 minutes.
Blow it, Alex. Gonna blow it
Where's
out.
gonna do it?
Oh. Yeah. You can set it down now.
Speed.
Speed? Oh, thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Bite it.
Here, hold the cake, buddy.
Oh,
Bite it. Smash it on. The fortune cookie looks really good.
what are people gonna say we posted on social media?
We're gonna say Alex isn't Chinese.
Yeah.
He married one.
I mean, the shape is off.
Hey, I tried my best to learn how to sing happy birthday in Chinese to you, but because it would be funny.
Oh.
Instead, all I know how to say is Ni Hao, Bank of America.
I was gonna say, let's do a group photo.
Oh,